Hi! In this video, we will go through the different types of object cards in Lime Go. So we have four types of object cards. We have companies, deals, persons, and coworkers. All of these four types of object cards can be connected to each other. So we can have a deal connected to a company. We can have a person connected to a company. Of course, that person can also be a reference to a deal that we have in the pipe, and you as a coworker can be connected so that you have certain companies that you are responsible for or deals that you are having in your pipe. But let's take a look at a company card. So here we have a blue card, a company card. And we can see some information here. We see that I do not have a relation status to Lime Technologies. This is something I can change manually. I can click here and add the relation status that I want. But if I add any notes or if I add any deals to the company card, it will automatically change the relation status so it's in line with whatever we're working on. So if you're forgetting about changing the status, don't worry, Lime got you covered. But in this scenario, let's say that we want to mark Lime Go straight away as a company that we have as customers. I might want to tag the company. Here I can add the suggested tags, or I can create one if I have that access in Lime Go. So I want to add it as a customer. And now I've added some more data, but I also want to set myself as responsible for the company. I see here different types of people that are connected to the company. I can also manually add new people, but let's take a look at Nils, our CEO. Niels is he is a person that is working, he's the CEO, but this is a person card. But so I can choose here to add tags if I want to, or I can add more information by clicking edit and add the phone number, or if I have his consent to email send outs, I can add that as well. If I want to take a look at the key figures, I can look over here. And if I'm working on documents, I can take a look at that here. Once I'm ready to write a note or add anything, I can do that here, and I can choose to mark it up as a reported meeting, sales call, whatever it is. I can also from here create a new deal, and then it will automatically be connected to Lime as a company. Let's say that I have this deal and the reference person is Vishal. I'm going to put his name in here. Let's put in a good name. I can add description, the value. Let's say here it's a deal, and I can also work with the probability. So that gives me the weighted value of our entire pipe. So let's say in this case, the probability is 75%. The expected order date, I can enter so I get a good sense of what deals I'm expected to close and when. Here I also have custom fields, and if you're interested in looking at that, we have a video covering that about the setting page. So let's create the deal. We will then find it here. And I can, of course, also tag that and put that there. So this deal is connected to the company. It is also connected to Vishal's person card. So if I add a note, hello, and connect that to Vishal, it will be shown at both the company, the deal, and Vishal. So here we see my comment. I can also see it here, and I can also see it here. But if I were to add it here and did not connect it to the deal or Vishal's company person card, it wouldn't be shown at all, but only in the company card. So that's how the logic is. I can, of course, if I go onto my user, my coworker card, I will also find the comment. So here we find the comment as well, and that is how they are connected.